Good morning, everybody, to January 16th, 2024, to Brian Davis Weather Enthusiast morning update. So, first, I want to start out as um, good morning, and hope you all are having fun out there in that snow right now. I know Arkansas didn't get as much as we thought we would here in the central part of the state, um, but we did get snow. So let's start talking about this. I first want to start out the GFS model. You can see the system is moving out of the U.S. You can see the first system moving out of the U.S. Moving out of our area. First of all, moving out of the state of Arkansas. But as we move on, we will start to have a high pressure. We will start to have a high pressure in place for most of the area here across most of the region. We do have another storm system moving into our area probably Thursday and Friday of this week. I'll zoom in and go ahead and go over there. GFS model has some freezing rain potential for central and eastern parts of the states. Most of the state not going to be big deal with this, but as we troop along here, we can see not much things are going across the U.S. Maybe next Monday we may see another area of some wintry weather come into the state. GFS has trended downward on that winter weather potential next Monday, but we'll definitely keep an eye on it there. Your European model has something different. European model has something really different to the system that's coming in this Thursday and Friday. Let's see that little system bringing some freezing rain and some sleet to central and eastern Arkansas as that comes into that area. And then we go into the Canadian model. The Canadian model is very, very bullish on this winter weather potential next week, on the ice storm coming in next week. Potential ice storm next week. We can see some freezing rain according to this model run. You can see freezing rain for much of western, central, and eastern Arkansas. Maybe even southeast Arkansas could get into it. We'll have to keep an eye on that as the winter weather potential grows. And then look over to next Monday, January 22nd, 2024. We do have an area of very heavy freezing rain coming in to about 6 o'clock in the evening. And then you can see by 12 a.m. on Monday, that does get heavier in western Arkansas, northwest Arkansas. And then it just dissipates as it moves, as the warmer air comes into play here. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that. This is your HRRR model, one of the short range models here that I look at for potential of wintry weather. This does have it for Thursday into Friday. We'll zoom in here. You can see Arkansas right there, but the HRRR model doesn't have that much showing up for our area on Thursday and Friday. But the NAM 12KM model, the medium range NAM, does have some potential of some freezing rain across the area. So we can zoom in here. You can see that system off to your north and west, and there's your little clippers. There's your little system coming into the forecourt, coming into our area, bringing freezing rain and some heavier freezing rain across central and southeast and eastern Arkansas, and then that system moves off to northeast U.S. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that. We'll go to your 7-day forecast here. Your 10-day forecast here. This will not come to tuition, but you can see temperatures today, 25 is a high today. Tomorrow, 38 as a high. I don't think we get to freezing. I don't think we get to freezing at all tomorrow or Thursday. So if you're wanting to get out of school, I don't think we're going to school until next Tuesday. just because the Arctic air is coming back, another reinforcing shot of Arctic air coming in on this weekend, and then we have another area of periods of freezing drizzle in the morning, which will cause hectic travel conditions across the area. And then we do warm up into the 50s, the mid to upper 50s, and then we'll see what comes on from after there. So we will definitely keep an eye on this weather. So we'll definitely keep an eye on it and see what's going on across the U.S. and across Arkansas. If y'all want me to go live on one of the events, if you want me to go live on Thursday morning and then next Monday ice event, let me know in the comments and I will go live. So thank you for joining me in this weather briefing this morning. Have a good day.